In this film I'm going to cover the main calls of the 5 resident owl species found here in the British Isles. Barn owls, tawny owls, little owls, short-eared owls and long-eared owls. Paintings of them. If there's one thing these birds have in common, is that for the most part their calls can sound a bit haunting. Of course there are some more gentle calls, from the courtship calls between a pair of barn owls as they reaffirm their bonds, to a tawny owl's beautiful warble, but a lot of calls you hear from the owls here in the British Isles are less peaceful. 3 of these species are largely considered nocturnal: barn owls, tawny owls and long-eared owls. So these are the main calls you might hear at night. The iconic twit-to-oo sound that many people hear at night comes from the most common and widespread of the 5 British species, the tawny owl, which are communicating their presence to one another. They also make a more haunting kiwik, another contact call between individuals. A beautiful ocarina call to attract a mate. A gentle contact call. And sometimes a mix of them all. The call of a barn owl is less melodic and more of a loud screech. Uses a territorial call. This call has confusingly earned them the nickname the screech owl, because there is a category of 22 species of screech owl, and the barn owl isn't one of them. But the calls between 2 alloprenian barn owls is a lot more gentle. The call of a long-eared owl is a bit softer. Males use a gentle woo call. And the females make a higher pitched call. A sharper call is used for an alarm. The first of the more diurnal species, the short-eared owl, is not actually very vocal, and it's rarely heard away from its breeding ground, where the male performs a song of repeated hoots. Both male and female make calls similar to barks, screams and whines to defend the nest. And finally, the UK's smallest owl species, the little owl. These owls pack an audible punch for their size. Despite a soft contact call between males and females. Their other calls are more powerful. The female calling the male to bring food. Or an alarm call. These are the most from an owl. You can quickly ID the species.